Alright, sails are up, going about 2 miles an hour. The wind was good a minute ago. Of course, good sails up, down she goes. But anyway, on the outskirts of Padre Bay and headed to Cookie Jar. There's a couple houseboats. Really pretty today. This is Cookie Jar. I am moored behind it, hooked up. Have 3 anchors going out, 2 to shore. Well, that one's almost to shore. And 1 off the bow. It's easier to set up this way with your stern toward the shore. My keel's a little bit in the mud, and that actually helps settle it for the night. So I'm gonna go for a little bit of walk. Some pretty areas back here, canyons. Looks great. This is from across the inlet or part of this bay, cove, just where I am anchored right now. Beautiful area. When there's a heavy rain, the water of course flows downhill, and there become washes, areas where it kind of stays, and plants grow, minerals break down. You can see the size of that, and pieces go down, and as the water swirls, it creates tanks or pools. There's a little one there, another one there, and then a large one there. So as the water stays in, that's why plant life is there. I'm going over this crest because it looks like a pretty good one here. Water comes down here, flows, and comes into this. And then it overflows and then runs over the side and down. You can see right there in the center of the picture some rocks that are a little bit on top of each other, look like mushrooms. Those are hoodoos.